Today we are going to focus on OmniStudio within SF Explorer. Let's see some capabilities that can be helpful to you. So from my OmniStudio sandbox, I can open SF Explorer with this button like you usually do. And from here, so you have this OmniStudio entry point, and also some OmniStudio capabilities that you can access from the industry option here from the industry tab. Okay. But for now, I'm going to look into the object manager. To the object manager, already search for the object which name starts with insurance. So I'm going to look into insurance policy. From here, you have access to all the information that relates to this particular object. One interesting aspect we'll see is the data raptor that are associated with the insurance policy object. This is a consolidated view where you can see all the combined data raptor that you use to either extract or load information that relates to insurance policy. So here you can see the description, right? This can be interesting for you to look deeper into this data raptor, and to be able to open them and see the description, see the elements that are related, test them, right? So here from there I can pick an insurance policy. This will initialize the ID there, and you can test it from here directly, and you have different data. So there is something that's helpful here, is for you to be able to see the dependency. For example, this one here, there is a dependency. So this one is used into this particular omniscript, and you can maybe see and actually it's an integration procedure in particular, but we can see from later on how it's used, and you can even test it from this other integration procedure. So the dependency will here option will also look into where data are used in the flex counts. So that's something interesting to know. So looking at the omniscript option, you have a combined view about all omniscript on integration procedure. It's combined because I think it's interesting to be able to use a combined view by category being here the type. For example, looking at everything that relates to the auto process, right? So here I have the quote that's an omniscript on. I think those integration procedures, they relate into the same line of business, the same type of process. So they are tied together, and I think it's helpful to see this from here. You also have the number of elements. That gives you a sense about the complexity each one of those may have. So let's have a look on one particular process, which is quite a big one. The quote process. From here, there is a description on the top. You have the different steps, right? Introduction, after introduction, the configuration that you can zoom on this. It's detailed from here as well. You can zoom into the preview from here. So if you look into preview directly, or if you look into the introduction, you have the preview a little like you have into the traditional UI. But also what's interesting, when you look into some other steps, like after introduction, you can see that you can dig into some other omniscript, right? Some sub-omniscript. So for example here, this is this reusable omniscript, and another one, and actually from here, that's interesting. There is an issue, right? So we cannot find this. Sorry, we cannot find this omniscript into the system. So there is an error on this. This can cause a severe issue to your process. So that's something you can see from here. Sometimes you are initializing your system. So here you retrieve the account, you read the account, and this is again a data raptor. So if I want to initialize and see what data is going to be retrieved from this data raptor, it's the same UI. You can directly pick it from here. Sorry. Same for the producer, and this time it's going to be a contact, right? Larry Sullivan. It's a contact. Well, that's all. You have an overview about your code process with the different steps that are simulated. For example, this is another one, the data raptor transform action and so on. And this is for you to get a better vision about your processes. Thanks.